Here are my recommendations for free video creation software. The first one we have is Bytable at bytable.com. Next, we have Rawshots at rawshots.com and Mora at mora.wondershare.com and Powtoon at powtoon.com. Now let's look at the first one. This is Bytable, and let's look at the plans here. They have a free plan here, and these are the features for the free plan. We can have 5 video projects per month and 1 GB of storage here. Let's look at their templates here. So the good thing about Bytable is it's template based, so you can just grab one of these many templates here and create a video out of it. Let's check out this template restaurant ad. Great, pretty cool, and you have a lot more. Here's a sample video that was created using the free plan for Bytable. So you can see that there's a little watermark at the right side over here, which is not that visible. Perhaps you may not mind. If you don't mind this watermark, you can just use the free starter plan. Otherwise, you can always pay for it. The other online tool is Rawshots at rawshots.com. Now this is actually a tool that I used, and I also use it for free, and also I paid for it. Now if you click on pricing up here, you have a starter plan which is totally free for you. However, it has watermark and outro, which is like a splash page on the video. So if you want to see a sample, this is one video that I created using Rawshots. So at the beginning, you're gonna see a splash screen like this, and you have a minor watermark at the bottom right here. So I totally created this video using the template on Rawshots. I just added all these other photos like here and change the text. And let's fast forward this, and you'll see there's another splash in the back. So you can check out the video templates for Rawshots here. So there are all sorts of video templates that you can use here, and all the categories are here. You could also have promo videos here. And let's check out this one. Not bad for a free online tool. The other video creation software that I would like to recommend is Mora. I'm actually using Mora to create this video. So it's one of the easiest video editing tools that you can use on the internet. It's very much like Windows Movie Maker, but a lot more powerful. So they have a free version for this software. It's actually a downloadable software to your desktop, and they have a mobile app for it. The only problem that you have with the free version of Mora is your video will actually have a huge watermark down here. This is how it will look like on your video. So I don't know about you, but I do mind having such a huge watermark here compared to Bytable or Rawshots. So the only way for you to get rid of this watermark is to buy their license. And this is how the Mora interface looks like. So you have your videos here, those raw videos over here, and you have the preview of the videos here, and you have the timeline here where you get to edit your videos. You can set music, you can set text, transition effect, filters, and etc. And it's pretty easy to use actually. Now let's check out Powtoon. So I have a free account with Powtoon. You can just click on pricing here and you can see their different pricing plans. So they have the forever free account here, and you can use this account, but then you will have a small watermark at the bottom right corner. This is how Powtoon free video looks like. You can see at the bottom right corner here, this is the watermark. So the watermark is not that visible, so if you don't mind, you can use the free account of Powtoon to create your free videos. So let's scroll down and let's compare the different plans. So for the free account, you have the maximum length of up to 3 minutes for a video. So I hope that's more than enough for you. If you need more, you can always upgrade to the other plans here. And they also offer royalty-free music here. And you can export your story blocks. What I like most about Powtoon is that they have really colorful templates. Let's check out some of their templates here. So I have a free account. So the templates are pretty artistic. Let's look at a template category for video ads. Let's check out this video here. And how about this one? Cool. Now let's look at other categories like explainer videos. So let's check out this video right here. Okay, let's try this one, or maybe this one. Awesome. There are a lot of categories that you can see here. You have for category for training and tutorials, HR, management related, biz reports, for education here, for personal, and more. And let's go back and have a look at their user interface. So this is the main user interface that they have. So let's check out, say I want to create an explainer video. So I'm just going to click on this here. And I'm going to pick, say, maybe. So these are for the pro account, so you cannot use these templates. I will try, say, maybe this one. Okay. So this is the interface, how it looks like. So what you can do is you can see that the video is separated into different timing, different slides here. And you get to edit those slides over here. You can change the words here, color, and so forth. And then you can preview it here. You can zoom in and zoom out, and a lot more.